In 1988, Warren Buffett bet over $1 billion on a single stock using one calculation you can learn in the next 4 minutes. That stock was Coca-Cola, and the bet grew into more than $25 billion. The tool he used is called intrinsic value, and it is the single most important skill in value investing. Intrinsic value answers one question: what is this business actually worth? Ignoring the stock price. Buffett's rule is simple. Figure out what a business is worth, then only buy it for much less. Step 1 is to find what Buffett calls owner earnings, the real cash a business puts in your pocket. Owner earnings start with net income, the profit the company reports each year. Then you add back depreciation, a paper expense that is not real cash leaving the business. Then you subtract capital expenditures, the real cash the business must spend to keep running. Net income plus depreciation minus capital spending, that is owner earnings, the number that matters. In 1988, Coca-Cola's owner earnings were around $800 million a year and growing fast. Step 2, estimate how fast those earnings will grow using the company's real history. Coca-Cola had raised earnings for decades and sold a product the whole world drank every day. Step 3, discount those future earnings back to what they are worth in today's dollars. $1 in 10 years is worth less than $1 today, so you discount it, often around 9%. Add up all those discounted future earnings and you get the intrinsic value of the whole business. When Buffett ran the numbers, Coca-Cola was worth far more than its stock price said. The market was selling $1 of Coca-Cola for about 60 cents and Buffett pounced. That gap between price and value is the margin of safety, your protection if you are wrong. Here is the part most people miss. You do not need to be exact. Buffett says it is better to be approximately right than precisely wrong. So your steps are: find owner earnings, estimate growth, discount it back, demand a margin of safety. Do that, and you stop gambling on stock prices and start buying businesses like an owner. Buffett turned a $1 billion Coca-Cola bet into $25 billion using exactly these steps. Now you have the same tool the greatest investor alive used to build a fortune.